Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and you're managing your website. Don't worry if you're new to WordPress, we will take it slow and go through everything step by step. So you will feel comfortable navigating your site. Let's get started. Before we dive into the dashboard, let's talk about how to log into your WordPress site. It's really easy. All you need to do is go to your website logins page. To do that, just add WP admin to the end of the website URL. It should look like this: www.yoursite.com/wp-admin. Once you're there, just enter your username and password that you said when you created your WordPress site. After that, you will be logged in and taken directly to your dashboard. Great! Now you are in the WordPress dashboard. This is the first page you will see after login in. And it's where you will manage everything on your website. At first, it might look like there's a lot going on. But don't worry, I'm going to show you what everything means. On the main screen, you'll see a bunch of sections and options. Let's break it down into simpler parts. At the top, you will see a welcome box. It's there to help you get started with WordPress. It gives you quick links to create new posts, add a page, or customize your site. You can also find helpful WordPress tips and updates in this section. Now let's look at the left sidebar. This is where all the important settings and options are located. It might look like a lot, but we will go through each one so you know exactly where to click. First up, we have the dashboard section. This is where you're landed when you log in. It gives you a quick overview of your site. You can see how many posts, pages, and comments you have. You can also check your website's recent activity, like new comments or updates to WordPress. Next is posts. This is where you will write and manage blog posts on your website. If you want to create a new blog post, just click Add New. When you create a post, you can give it a title, write content, add images, and even categorize your post. Categories help organize your content by topics, and tags are great for adding more specific keywords to help people find your posts. Now let's talk about media. This is where you upload and manage all the images, videos, and other files you use on your website. You can click Add New to upload any files. Or you can see all the files you have already uploaded under Library. Once you uploaded your images or files, you can see them in your posts and pages. It's super easy. Moving on to the pages. Pages are different from posts. Pages are for content that doesn't change often, like your About Us or Contact page. To create a page, click Add New. You can add the same types of content as you would in the post. But pages are more for permanent, important information on your site. Next, we have comment sections. If your site allows people to leave comments on your post, you'll manage them here. You can approve, reply to, or delete comments if you need. Now let's talk about appearance. This is where you can change the look of your website. You can choose a new theme, change your site's colors, fonts, and layouts, or add widgets to different areas of your site. To change your theme, click on Themes. You'll see a list of themes that are already installed, but you can also add a new one by clicking Add New. Once you choose a theme, you can click on Customize to change specific things like your logo, colors, fonts, and more. This is where you can make your site truly yours. Next is plugins. Plugins are like little apps that add extra features to your site. For example, you can add plugins for SEO, contact forms, or social media sharing buttons. To add a plugin, click on Add New. From there, you can search for the plugin you want, install it, and then activate it. Some plugins may have additional settings, so be sure to check those out. Next is the user section. If you have other people working on your site with you, this is where you can manage their access. You can add new users, assign them roles like editor or contributor, and change their permissions. Finally, we have settings. This is where you can adjust important settings for your website, like your site title, tagline, time zone, and more. In the general settings, you can change your site's name or tagline. In the reading settings, you can decide if you want your home page to show your latest post or a static page. That is the basic of the WordPress dashboard. Once you get the hang of it, everything will start to feel much easier. The best way to learn is by exploring. Click around, try different things, and see what happens. You can't break anything, so don't be afraid to experiment. I hope this video helped you understand the WordPress dashboard a little better. In this video, we will dive deeper into the creating posts and customizing your site. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next